How to enable deep search and task automation in Google AI mode. Deep search is a more thorough research mode in Google AI mode that uses the Gemini 2.5 Pro model. And task automation means letting Google help you perform tasks like booking reservation, checking pricing, and much more rather than just giving information. Open Google Chrome on your device and at the top right corner you will see Search Labs. Click on that. Now you will land to an interface or website like this. Scroll down and here you will see a section called AI Experiments. You will see a Turn On option. Click on the option to turn this feature on. After doing that, you will see this Start Searching option. This will give you AI overview in your search. However, you will also see another section that says Deep Research. You will have to turn on that option too. Right now that option or feature is not available on my current laptop, but you will see that option right in this section. Once AI mode is enabled, go to the google.com/AI or open AI mode in search. In the Ask Anything bar, there should be an icon or option for deep research. For task automation, agentic features also enable the experimental toggle in labs. This is also only supported in some regions. Now you can give commands like book a table of 2 or so on. That's all for today. Thank you.